All right, check this out. Here is a 4runner TRD Off-road Premium. Customer had us install a 2-inch Bilstein Lift, and then we put 275s on it. Check it out. Great looking rig. We did have to do a small amount of trimming on the front there to make the 275s fit, and then pull back that front mudguard on both sides. It's just barely rubbed. No rubs at all. So this is a TRD Off-road Premium. Did come with a black wheel package, so those wheels did come from the factory. And this also had the black overlays and the black exhaust tip. These are about the most popular 4runner other than the Pros. Pros are a little tough to come by, and due to market demand, they can be a little bit more money. Whereas you can basically get the same amount of performance out of these. We've had a lot of people change out the grills on these and go with the Pro grill. Leather, heated seats, sunroof. Does have the liners front to back. Is push button start. Keys aren't in here, but it does have navigation as well. USB port, 12 volt. All your steering wheel controls for the radio. You've got your A-track, your locking rear diff, your crawl control, all part of that TRD off-road package. So very well capable off-road, particularly with the crawl control if you haven't got the chance to experience that. It is a pretty big game changer. We sell a lot of 4runners and have no issues getting you guys what you're looking for. So if you'd like us to track one down for you, give me a call at 218-264-4040. Give it a like, subscribe. If you'd like to know more about Toyotas and the stuff we got coming through, or any of the new models that are coming up here shortly. Thanks again and have a great